All right, now we're talking about adding three fractions together, and again, they don't have the same denominator. So 1/5 plus 2/4 plus 3/10. Well, we're not quite sure. If they were all the same denominator, we could just add across the top, but they're not there yet. That's what we have to do. We need to find the lowest common denominator and change all of these fractions to have the same denominator. Then we can just add across the top. So let's go back and make our chart. And we're going to list our denominators 4, 5, and 10 and list their multiples 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and on and on and on. And so you can see I've already labeled that the lowest common denominator for these three numbers combined is 20. So I need to change all of the original fractions in my problem to fractions over 20. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1/5. I change that to a fraction over 20 by multiplying by the fraction 4 over 4, and that gives me an equivalent fraction of 4/20. That's equal to 1/5. 2/4 I multiply by 5 over 5, and that gives me 10/20. And then lastly 3/10 I multiply by 2 over 2, and that gives me the equivalent fraction of 6/20. So now they all have the same denominator. That's what we were looking for, and I can add them straight across. 4/20 plus 10/20 plus 6/20. I know my denominator is going to stay the same, and when I add across the top, I end up with 20/20. And I also know that that equals 1.